The Honeywell Genesis Shooter's Safety Eyewear with black frame and clear lens features a 9-base wraparound uni-lens style to offer maximum protection and superior peripheral vision. The soft elastomer brow guard diffuses impact, and the soft, adjustable nosepiece fingers conforms to your face. The clear lens is suitable for most indoor and outdoor shooting environments with 99.9% UV protection, while the Hydroshield anti-fog coating provides the highest degree anti-fog resistance and features dual-action properties that keep lenses clear up to 60 times longer than the next best coating. These glasses meet ANSI Z87.1, CSA Z94.3 standards, and meet military ballistic impact test requirements. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.honeywellstore.com.